Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Here is my 2018 Dodge Charger Super Track Pack V6, and in today's video giving you some scenery, you know what I'm saying, and on top of that I'm gonna just give you guys a breakdown of what I've done to the exhaust. So basically this is the V6, so it sounded like a fucking hybrid. It sounded terrible, so I definitely wanted to add more of a growl. This car looks too badass to sound like the way it sounds for a V6. And I know y'all might say, yeah, you should have got a V8, but I got a V6, so fuck you. So what I did to the car is I removed the mid mufflers. I installed one Flowmaster Super 10, and from the mid muffler back is all straight pipe. So let me just show you the back of the thing. When I was at the muffler shop, they had a whole choice of mufflers, so I don't know the brand of these tips. They just installed it for me. Sticks out a little bit, matte black, complements the look of the car. And yeah, yo, it sounds great. So when I get to my garage, I'll show you exactly what got removed, because I still have the original pipes and stuff, so that way you guys get a better understanding what I've done to the car. And yeah, I had it like that for about a year and a half, and it runs great. It sounds fucking awesome, and I'm enjoying it so far. And I'll give you guys a few clips of how it runs.